Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming fundamentals. Check PSU wattage and available PCIe power plugs so the new card won't starve. Next, measure case clearance and note radiator or drive placement that could block installation. Once done, update the motherboard BIOS and export or note current GPU driver settings. This prevents compatibility and driver conflicts. If you have adapters or risers, inspect them. Move quickly but deliberately. These setup steps remove surprises during the hardware swap. You now remove the old card. Power off, unplug, unscrew bracket, and release the PCIe latch. Handle the board by edges. Then position the new GPU at the slot angle, push evenly until the latch engages, and reinstall bracket screws to secure it. Make sure to connect every required 6/8-pin PCIe cable. Mixing adapters can cause power issues. Once connected, route cables to preserve airflow and avoid fans. Give the card a firm but gentle check to confirm solid seating. You finish by powering on and entering BIOS to confirm the new GPU is detected and set as the primary display. This avoids booting to integrated graphics. Next, perform a clean driver transition. Use the if necessary, then install the latest official drivers to ensure stability. Run a short stress test and watch temperatures and clock behavior. Listen for coil whine or abnormal sounds. If crashes or artifacts appear, recheck power connectors and BIOS settings. These are the most common troubleshooting fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.